everybody? Before you make another move, I need you to listen to this announcement. This is MJ from Spilling Teas, and I'm going to be bringing you an easier way to
make rhinestone templates.
That's right, I'll be showing you how to apply your rhinestones to your t-shirts easier without the hassle of
flop paper.
Tired of dealing with that fuzzy crap and wasting tons of money on that expensive stuff? Then hit the subscribe button below and join me
Wednesday, April 27th at 9 a.m.
for the premiere of my new video,
How to make rhinestone templates faster and apply rhinestones easier.
Save your money, no need to outsource anymore. The tutorial you all been waiting for is here. Hit the notification bell button to be reminded to tune in
Wednesday, April 27th at 9 a.m.
See you then, and don't forget to
let us spill your tea.